is gonna be a wonderful nice solo. Shut up, Chucky. This is my song. What? 'Cause I'm the biggest bird. No, not the third, but I'm the first. And Helen's the last. I'll beat some glass. I don't know, that just rhymes. Now, fear my yeet.
What? Yeet! Oh, there she blows!
Yeah, Spur, you're next.
What? No!
Get over here, stupid dog.
Let go.
At least I didn't call you a fruitcake dog.
Shut up! I'm gonna friggin' cry! I'm gonna friggin' sigh! I just wanted some chocolate cake!
Too bad. So sad.
I just went to the Apple store and bought an iPad.
Huh?
No, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
You know what? No, I'm done. I wanted to have my own song. I mean, everybody loves my tell me, but no. You had to ruin it for Smalley. You ruined everything.
See, I was trying to tell you that, but did you listen? No, you just wanted to stick them on your tummy. It was terrible.